and welcome back to my channel. Join me in the kitchen as I show you one of the ways I make noodles. So I'll be doing the frying method using some veggies. The first thing is to boil some water. As we wait for the water to boil, I'll go ahead to cut the noodles open and bring out the spices. Now our water has boiled and I'm gonna be cooking the noodles for just like a minute plus or thereabout. Like, it's not supposed to be soft, it's just half done. Like, I'm gonna cook it halfway, then I'll strain. It's good to prep everything, all the ingredients, all the vegetables before, as in before you start, because it doesn't take time. I've added some oil to the pan I'll be using. As you can see, I just waiting with the broccoli. I'm adding some of the noodle spice to the broccoli so that it will be tasty, to have the same taste with the noodles. Then I will stir for like some seconds and then add my carrots. I'm adding my onion lastly, so it will remain, crispy kind of. Sometimes I even add it after I've added my noodles and stir fry to an extent. I'll then add the onion, so it will give me that cream. Then here comes our noodles. I'm going to stir fry this for about 2 minutes. In fact, depending on how dry you want it. If you want it that dry, you can stir fry till, I don't know, but 2 minutes is fine. Guys, this noodles is actually for my husband. This man, he enjoys noodles like, I don't know, because of him we have noodles available in the house always, like always. Not even because of the kids. My kids, they don't even eat noodles as much as he does. Like, he's the main noodle eater in the house. And because he likes noodles, I don't stick to a particular recipe. So from if I'm doing boiling for him, I have different ways I boil if the noodles. If I'm doing frying, I have different ways I fry. I'm adding some chili flakes. I prefer using fresh pepper actually, but I don't have, as in I have frozen fresh pepper. I can't start bringing it out. If you know you love eating noodles, just drop a comment for me in the comment section. Maybe I'll drop in some more noodles recipe for you so that you keep enjoying. Thank you for watching till this moment. I love you guys. I hope you have subscribed to this channel. If you haven't, please do so and like this video.